All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. I showed you this case right here. This case has been great. I've been using it for the last 48 hours since the other video, and I want to go ahead and show it to you again. But this is the case that I'm going to be showing you today. I'm sure it's going to feel just as good as this one because it looks about the same. But this is their new ArmorEdge Air from BENKS. Let's get it open here. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Great packaging as always, folks. And let's just get into it. Again, 18 Pro and 17 Pro. Oh, wow. Oh, man. This one has a full-on raised. This one does too, but this one is really raised. Man, they have got me bugging over here, man. It's so many good options. So many good options. I'll let you look at it here. This is another limited case that they have. So be sure to hit the website and grab yours, man. This is really, really sweet. And I'm excited about it. So let's pop this off. And we'll go ahead and get into it. I'll put that one over there. Let's cut that tag off because if it doesn't have the BENKS seal of approval, it's not legit. Now, a lot of people might go for this one just based on it being black. But it's got the matte black around the camera ring. Ooh, wee, that's clean, man. That is a beautiful, beautiful freaking case. Wow. This area right here is actually raised. It's like a little metal. I don't know if it's metal or not. It feels like it. It could be plastic. And then you have your area here for the camera button. It's different than this one, as you can see here. This one's like a one piece, and this is definitely two pieces. And it's got the BENKS logo up here. Really nice. Again, matte black around here. Looks like metal, little small metal buttons. And then in the interior, obviously, you got this limited seal here for you. These are limited cases, so be sure to grab yours. And I thought that was their new logo, but this is just limited to the case. Yeah, so you can see here the difference on these. You got a little BENKS logo there, and you don't have it here. And these are limited cases, man. So you got the little traveling map here. Lots of grip on this one too, but it's got a rubbery around the side. So let's go ahead and pop it on. There we go. Fits like a glove. Wow, this is impressive. This is impressive. And I do have an aftermarket screen protector on here, so it'll work as long as you have your screen protector installed properly. This one is a little bit thinner. Actually, it doesn't have the bigger lip either. So when you look at it this way, this one is the Air. So you're looking at the ArmorEdge right here. This is the Edge, and this is the Air. So just keep that in mind. So this one, while it feels the same, is actually a little bit thinner once you get it on the phone. I'm kind of surprised at that. So, but this is the case here. Let me go ahead and show you the MagSafe technology here. This is another BENKS product. Very nice. So you have the ability to get this all-in-one kickstand and pop socket as well. Somebody asked about the pop socket. It's not heavy at all. It's actually plastic, but this portion is metal. So just bear that in mind. But the case is super limited, man. This is a beautiful case right here. And I think a lot of people who are going to enjoy BENKS, who enjoy BENKS products, you're going to love this case because it's kind of it's the total opposite of what they're known for doing, which is the ultra thin cases. So with that said, man, I really appreciate what they're doing here. And this is a quick video. Let me show you the tactile feedback from the buttons here. Oh, very nice. This one's definitely a little bit more loose than the Edge. But in fact, it works. Let's go ahead and hit that camera button. Works perfectly fine. So yeah, this is the Air, man. This is a beautiful put together case, man. It feels really good. And I'll leave a link in the description to grab this, man. This is a very sexy, sleek case. And I think a lot of people, if you decide to grab this, you're going to like how it feels. Now, I know a lot of people won't grab both of these, but this one is, while it's called the Edge, it just has like a bigger lip on it and a little bit more texture on here for grip, but they both have lots of grip. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.